Local news for Friday the 19th of January. Effective as of Wednesday, the grandstand at Memorial Park is closed for earthquake strengthening until further notice. Initial estimates are 4 to 6 months for the remedial work to be completed, with a target date for reopening at the end of July. Masterton District Council Chief Executive Pim Boren stresses the closure is temporary and the building definitely won't be getting demolished. Carterton will be full of colour today as Rangatahi to Rangatira Carterton and Wairarapa Youth Council present the Colour Run 2018. Celebrating summer and now in its second year, the Colour Run is open to anyone, although adults are encouraged to run along with their under-10s. Registration for the Colour Run begins at 12:30 at Carrington Park, with a sausage sizzle to follow. And in sports, local cricketer Seth Rance is into Black Cap recall and is set to play Pakistan in a 2020 game next week. Meanwhile, Stephen Hawkesbury and Daniel Ingham have been named in the CD A team to play Wellington A in Levin next week.